Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first time, so I'm cleaning my bedroom. I'm gonna put this pillow in the corner. I'm building a fort, as you've seen. The title, I'm building a fort. Okay. Let's just get on it. I mean, for I don't want to mess you up. So, yeah. Fresh bed. Okay. So. This will go in the Dalton's file. So, I'm high. My God. I'm gonna take all the coat. Alright. But, so I'm gonna get a thing with 40 weight. So, what I'm thinking is, you're probably not gonna have the bed inside because how it is, we can't have the bed inside. So we could just put this away and
everything you doing, you better put it back. If I tell you, I'm gonna hit you when I tell you. The thing on that. This is that play area. You got your room to play in.
yeah, I'm gonna go get it. Okay, so we have this sheet I'm using. So and we're gonna use this to hold. So what we're gonna do, you guys see it? So there we go. There we go, now I want this. I'm gonna spray on my tape first. So yeah. Here's one of the clothes. And 2 socks here. One, socks. And then right here, I need something. Oh. So, my sword is not looking good. But, imagine. Oh. So, I'm gonna have it, and then I'm gonna need something to hold it. Okay. So let me how many numbers have you ever did this before? So take my knees out and put it right there, and then I'll be like, yeah. So this is how you know you can be close. It's a big fat nip. Oh, I have found something good. Okay, so this is here. Right in it. Okay. What it is, we're gonna grab the angle right here. Put this here. Right here. Top side. I'm gonna be hanging. So yeah. That's the end. Yeah. What is my other thing? My other thing like that. So, right around the camera on, I need to build this up. So, okay. So, I found a way. So, let me just. Right here, right there, and then okay, so and then we got this. So and you guys see it's a little fort, and I'm happy that this fort is something. I'm gonna turn off the light. That's better. So wait, let me just crawl under. Like, okay. This is the exit way. Exit. This is the exit way right there. It's the entrance. I'm going for right now and start. But comment down below if you ever made a fort like with. So this is a stool that my auntie Brenda made. Made 2 of them for me, and then I have a third one. I think it's in the living room. But yeah, let's go. Let's get it. So, if I really do stay that in here, this is what my food is gonna be over here. And then over here, I'll have drinks. But I need my brother to see my room. So let's go to my room. I'm gonna go. I'm right here. Let's go. See me get out. Good. So I got out. really see my little tiny floor because I'm not building a lot bigger. So, my brother, I'm gonna show you guys his floor. This is his room. And then this is my brother's floor. And yeah, this is my baby brother. I don't know. And I already built my floor. Yeah. In my room.
What's she supposed to do today? You made yourself undecided. You're always late for your assignments. Well, as dean of student affairs, I'm a lot like Santa Claus.
You can build one in your room. You can build one in your room. You got carpet in your room.
Now, what's the problem? Anytime a student is slinking around my room,
Huh?
I know there's a problem.
I'm gonna help you. Come on. Bring out stuff you got in your room. I have to help my brother get his. We're gonna get the magic treats. This is not like this year I have, but it'll work. Cause I'm gonna. He'll think he is.
Leave my phone in the car.
Money to make those checks good. Except this time I can't.
That been cleaning up?
Oh yeah, you didn't leave your phone in the car. You had brought it in the house.
Where is it?
You had brought it in the house when you brought the rug in. So yeah. So this is the little frame of my fort, guys. It's a tiny frame, but inside is kind of big. I could store stuff in my drawer. And stuff, so let's go in my brother's room. First, let's clean up this mess. I'm gonna sit you guys right here in his drawer. Let's get this over. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna be cleaning. I'm gonna be cleaning this room. So yeah. So this chair is gonna stay there like that. So close it up there. Okay. I can see you guys in the next video. Bye.